Veggie Fam. I hope you guys are all staying safe and doing good. Today I'm going to be doing something in my new series, and this new series is called Cooking Basics 101. So here and there I will sprinkle in some videos, some like extra videos on top of my normal recipes that will be called, or in the series, Cooking Basics 101. And these will be very basic cooking skills or very basic cooking recipes. So in today's video, I'm going to be making some delicious guacamole, or as I call it, bomb guacamole, because it has a secret ingredient in it that makes it creamy and delicious. I love my guacamole nice and creamy, so yeah, that's what we're making. Oh, and really quickly, I just wanted to let you guys know something I just discovered about the viewers. I found out that 26% of you guys who watch my videos are subscribed. Only 26%. Which means the whole 70-something, I'm not good at math, but you know what I'm saying, 74% of you guys are not subscribed. So if you like this video or any of my other videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any awesome, delicious recipes. Anyways, let's get veggie. So for your guacamole, you're gonna need some cilantro, lime, tomato, onion, either serrano, pepper, or jalapeno, and 4 avocados. Chop up your tomatoes very finely and your jalapeno pepper finely as well. Everything pretty much gets chopped up very fine. And then you're gonna, of course, cut open your avocados. I like to have mine. And then I like to see what surprise lays inside, because sometimes you get a huge pit. Oh, yay, we won. Tiny pit, which means more avocado. Yay. So anyways, yeah, do that to the rest of your avocados. And I figured this would look cute and you guys would like to see some avocados laid out, because who wouldn't, right? I love avocado. Do you? Do you love avocado? Give this video a thumbs up if you love avocado as much as I do. So yeah, just take these out. Obviously, I feel like this is obvious. Maybe it's not, but yeah, put these all in a bowl. And then you're going to mash them up really good. I use a potato masher instead of a fork because I feel like it gets the job done really well. And I like to get this very, very smooth. But of course, you can leave some chunks in if you prefer. And then we're going to add in our tomato, onion, pepper, and our cilantro. And then squeeze in the juice of 1 lime and mix it all together. You see me switching hands? Yep, that's because my right hand is still not so good at gripping stuff. Anyways, so mix that up really, really well. We're gonna sprinkle in some salt. And then for my secret ingredient, I like to pour in a little bit of almond milk, 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons, depending on how creamy you would like it. It makes it very creamy, and it also helps prevent the browning. It slows the browning down. So that is that, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still here, don't forget to hit that like button and check out one of these videos here on the side to watch next if you guys are interested. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Love you. Bye, 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 bye.